In this video, I will show you how to build a sales funnel report in Bitrix24. First, log into your Bitrix24 account. Once you're in your dashboard, you will see all the available options. On the left side, there's a list for CRM, booking, IM, marketing, and many more tools. Now, go to the upper part of your dashboard and find Analytics. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. When you hover your mouse over it, another set of options will pop up. From here, click on Sales Funnel and it will automatically open another pop-up menu. Inside this menu, you will see useful analytics such as your sales, the number of deals, deals lost, deals total, and more detailed stats. Click on the Sales Funnel option again and it will display your analytics in a funnel view for the past 30 days. This makes it easy to track and measure your sales performance. And that's how to build a sales funnel in Bitrix24.